STEPN, GMT, by and large is a coin that really is at present exchanged at $0.208357 per unit. With the market capitalization of $210,396,600, that generally makes it a low-position digital money, or so for the most part thought. Computerized resources like STEPN fundamentally have currently in every practical sense become the point of convergence of consideration for essentially retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for especially huge institutional financial backers, who for the most part see STEPN and the remainder of digital currencies as a truly viable, certainly fence against expansion, that takes a weighty cost for the worldwide economy in an unobtrusive manner. In this manner, having it kind of the most on a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto really is essentially an absolute requirement for any dealer and financial backer who fundamentally needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, in an inconspicuous manner especially. Yet, with it generally comes the need to intently follow the improvements on the expressed market, to grasp what is going on, and in every way that really matters, have some feeling representing things to come, or so they in a real sense thought. This STEPN cost expectation model truly was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space in a real sense, track down the best coins or tokens, to generally put resources into, and fundamentally keep the value bend developing, or so they sort of thought. In any case, prior to diving into the overall STEPN examination and cost expectation, we might want to generally help you to remember the by and large fundamental guidelines of digital currency exchanging and venture a sort of significant way. At the point when it generally comes to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves sort of more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its truly by and large fame, with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers in a kind of significant manner. Numerous cryptographic money brokers view market capitalization as a kind of key marker to for the most part be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices, which by and large is very huge. It explicitly is determined by duplicating the in every practical sense all-out number of coins that are as of now available for use, flowing stockpile, by the genuinely current cost of STEPN, which, as currently referenced, as of now remains at $0.208357. Or so they especially thought. Considering that recipe, we truly have determined the sort of current market capitalization of STEPN2 in every practical sense, be it $210,396,600, which legitimizes its place as the 94th coin among those essentially present on the cryptographic money market, showing how yet with it explicitly comes the need to intently, especially follow the improvements on the expressed market, to grasp what is going on, and explicitly have some feeling representing things to come in a quite enormous manner. Recently, on August 2nd, the market capitalization of STEPN in every practical sense remained at $216,996,150 when, certainly keep going week. On July 27th, the especially aggregate sum of capital gave to STEPN really was laid out at $234,686,747. The information from a month prior, enrolled on July 3rd, generally shows that STEPN for the most part had a market capitalization of $236,900 all things considered, 524. Total stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that in a real sense have previously been mined, printed, or generally made, and generally are either coursing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders' cool wallets, or so the explicitly thought. The all-out supply likewise considers any coins that certainly have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. It can measure up to the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that is public on the financial exchange in an unpretentious manner. The in every practical sense absolute stock of STEPN as of now essentially remains at 5,452,822,253 GMT. Or so they truly thought. As currently made sense of, the flowing stockpile in a real sense is the most usually involved really metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, or so they certainly thought. It compares with the scarcely the best guess of the extremely generally number of coins that in every practical sense are public on digital money trades and in a real sense add to their liquidity, or so they truly thought. Their volume doesn't generally incorporate the coins that for the most part are vested, marked in every practical sense, brilliant agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or truly put unavailable for general use amazingly. The flowing stockpile generally is essentially what could be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the securities exchange, showing how is currently made sense of. The circling supply sort of is the most regularly involved kind of measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to in a sort of significant manner. At the present time, the flowing stockpile of STEPN fundamentally is assessed at 1,009,788,903 GMT in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Also, the perusing of exchanging volume can truly help one generally decide in every practical sense. Better passage and leave focuses on the grounds that as per the standards of specialized examination, huge cost moves, pattern inversions, or solidifications frequently explicitly happen at the cost levels that especially are joined by generally especially high volume, since those by and large are the volumes where enormous cash fundamentally had for the most part become possibly the most important factor, which by and large is genuinely critical. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the STEPN market in a real sense was as per the following. Over the very beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the STEPN market explicitly added up to $14,722,127, showing that is currently made sense of. The flowing stock generally is the most ordinarily involved kind of measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to in a kind of enormous manner. Recently, on August 2nd, the truly normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting basically added up to $21,495,035, truly further appearance, hithy in every way that really matters. Complete stock of STEPN as of now especially remains at 5,452,822,253 GMT, which certainly is very critical. 7 days prior, on July 27th, the power of STEPN exchanging all through the meeting came to $20,943,938, in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. This information and the events on the STEPN outline can in every way that really matters help you sort of evaluate for yourselves the genuinely current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the ongoing course or making an inversion, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. As currently referenced, the crypto unpredictability file CVIX certainly is our especially essential instrument for making the most dependable expectations in regards to the cost of STEPN in 1 to 5 years' time, which certainly is very huge. It especially was made by the kind of in-house group of engineers and market experts, and explicitly was utilized to test an assortment of productive exchanging and speculation systems, showing how is currently referenced. The crypto unpredictability record, CVIX certainly is our by and large essential instrument for making the most reliable